Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, Lowe's syndrome is also seen, which is called as oculocerebrorenal syndrome. This Lowe's syndrome is associated with congenital cataract, glaucoma. It is associated with congenital cataract, glaucoma, and it is also associated with microphakia. Then it is also associated with one more disease, which is posterior lenticonus is also associated with Lowe's syndrome. So Lowe's syndrome is an oculocerebrorenal syndrome which is associated with congenital cataract, glaucoma, microphakia and posterior lenticonus.
thank you and thank you for watching.